after the rebels took control of Syria, they have been exposing factories which produce these white pills marked by a double crescent logo at an industrial scale. The pill is Captagon, a banned drug which funded the regime of deposed President Bashar al-Assad.
After we entered and did a sweep, we found that this is a factory for Maher, al-Assad and his partner Amir Kiti. They work in Captagon and drugs. And we found a large number of devices that were stuffed with packages of Captagon pills meant to be smuggled out of the country.
Producing 80% of the world's total Captagon, Syria became a West Asian narcotic hub under Assad's rule. Developed by a German firm in the 1960s, Captagon was once used legally to treat attention deficit disorder and as a central nervous system stimulant. By 1986, most countries stopped using Captagon after the World Health Organization raised an alarm over its side effects, including depression, sleep deprivation, and loss of appetite. But by that time, Captagon had become popular as a recreational drug, especially in Gulf nations like Saudi Arabia and UAE. Earlier, it was armed groups and smugglers in Syria who engaged in the illicit trade of Captagon, which, being a synthetic drug, is easy to make. However, by 2011, when a civil war erupted in Syria, the Assad government became actively involved in the smuggling of Captagon.
We have good relations here with rebels and the guys from Damascus and Homs. They receive shipments from the 4th Division. They have an agreement with them. As the saying goes, if you put money in their hands, they will turn a blind eye.
The drug sales provided money to the Syrian government, whose finances were hit hard by Western sanctions over human rights violations. The business, in collaboration with armed group, was majorly led by Bashar al-Assad's brother Maher al-Assad. Annually, the Assad family is estimated to have profited around $2.4 billion from the drug trade. But across West Asia, Captagon became a menace, and countries were desperate to end its supply chains. This also gave Assad a bargaining power in the region. Syria's current government has promised to crack down on Captagon trade. While large factories might shut down, it will be challenging to contain small gangs involved in smuggling. Annu Kaushik's report for the Economic Brief, DD India.